I mean, finally having to wear uniform takes away our freedom, a sense of expression, and of course that can waste much money. Since having to wear school uniform is not fair. Students whose having to wear school uniform is not fair. They just want have right to show their expression, to show their creativity in wear some clothes that they want to wear. Students shouldn't have to wear school uniforms because it doesn't look individually. Uniforms are very expensive, and because it takes away students' freedom of expression, as I was saying before. According to the research survey, that some students avoid wearing uniform that we get from school. And when we ask about how is the school banned uniform in school, they agree about that because the uniform is just so boring and they can't express with the school uniform. Once again, we would like to give you some reasons why students are dislike school uniforms. The first reason is the uniform is just so expensive. So we can conclude that if schools uniform should be banned at school because everyone has their expression. I think that's enough. Thank you for your attention.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, honorable educators, honorable chairman, and honorable to all our friends and all of our teachers. Okay, my name is Mingaraji as the first speaker, and my friend is Garisa as the second speaker, and Father Wani as the third speaker. So, before I give my statement, I would like to rebut about our friend his statement. The first speaker said, so I want to ask to her. Why the first speaker said, we ban mask to uniform when we are at school. But when we go to school, we must show our school with our uniform. If you want to freedom with wearing uniform and free with expression of figure, it's wrong. Based on any faith, the government has to contain the rule and want to freedom, please treat your steps school. Okay, unfortunately, this falsehood can refer at school. Uniform is something that is used for activity by students. Uniform is something that is not important because it's just a waste of money that could be used to purchase other school needs. I think that school uniform should be knit in school. I think this is because also we not uniform clothing give students a chance to express themselves. So when we wear the uniform, we must improve about our school by uniform and wearing security of school can be learned so that we must wear our uniform so important for us. That is can be learned by our school and the other school. Like right now I wear my uniform and then all of the students is wearing our uniform. Not the freedom when we are wearing our uniform. It's not in our mind. And the government is like see what my statement. Wearing school, I'm sorry, and the teacher can do education with the all of students is uniform is like other people and the other people when we go to school we can see the poor man and the rich man, but in our school is calm because we know the poor man is trying to buy the church or the other church is godly, but the rich man can't. So I will think, are you love him? If you love him, please don't wear uniform freedom. So why we must wear the uniform is free what our rule say. In our opinion, and best benefit, it never at school, and the government not agree with the motion today. Ladies and gentlemen, as we know, we wear our uniform that is made to us is from with our school. Alright, all of I say we can to prove our school with our uniform. Oh, when you one of them is see to us is that is from the school is example is like our school SMA Cipusangan and other. The people can see who is him. But if we not wear our uniform, it's not in our rule and not we get into our school. And I think it never done. Uniform has a puppy get into correct, working state of mind, and it gives a good impression of the school. Ladies and gentlemen, I think this because although at every the uniform makes students feel like they are part of the school, and that they should be proud to belong to the school. Students want to be discriminated because of the clothes they wear. Uniform has, let's I say just now. If the poor man can buy the t-shirt, so I will think why the poor man can buy the shirt is totally, the rich man can buy the shirt totally. I'm loving the poor man. So what made the poor rich man? He can buy what he wants. He has the money, but so you all see what of the poor man. We love him. Ladies and gentlemen, so we must wear our uniform at school. Thank you.
The first speaker of negativity spending time 6 minutes I will revise the second figure from the affirmative that says, why the uniform they cannot do what you want. So it has started their uniform during the law and the rules at school. And we go to school not to show our pressure, but we go to school want to gain our knowledge and not to gain our study. Not the school to show our vision or stuff. I believe school uniform should not again because they create equality among students. We must to prove about our school by uniform. School uniform let other people know in which school you are studying. Okay, Dilan, thank you for your time. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Second speaker of negative team spent a time of 5 minutes 47 seconds. And please welcome the third speaker of the affirmative team.
Ladies and gentlemen, Lizana, a third girl from affirmative team, we would like to say we agree about the motion today. The motion is this course would wear uniform at school. Firstly, I want to divide have been caused trouble injustice to benefit alone with effect. A student are able to study today text. Ladies and gentlemen, as we know, uniform should prevent us in waste much of money. After wearing that uniform for years or so you can wear it and you would have to throw it away. Why not just wear home clothes? You can wear it about at home and at school. Furthermore, some school uniform are uncomfortable. Students may be affected by that. We should just wear normal, comfortable, and flexible by suitable for school clothes. We are supposed to have a free education, yet we have to pay for school uniform every year and replace it during the years it is demanded. People say we don't have enough appropriately, but if we were given the opportunity to wear no uniform, it's like people will behave in order to be comfortable in the learning environment. Without having a bladder of time continues irritated and uncomfortable. It will also mean teachers will be able to wear the gospel clothes, making everyone. One of the main reasons is that it's very expensive. We are forced to buy the same uncomfortable clothing everybody is buying. And what's more is that students keep on growing, making for parents but bigger, still expensive clothing. This is outrageous. They pay more than $1,000 just for uniform. So we are the affirmative team. We are really demonstrating. This house would ban uniform at school. Thanks.
The third speaker of the academic team spent the time 7 minutes 16 seconds. And please welcome the third speaker of the negative team.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Panjalagiri as the third speaker. Firstly, I want to regard why you say the uniform should be banned, but if you give that argument, the government not support your opinion. Uniform help you to study because you wear your thing, and the teacher will look not good, not happy with this area. If you were to wake up every morning and sit there for half an hour trying to decide which of your clothes would be best to wear in order to impress others at school, you will certainly have to skip breakfast every morning. Then, imagine you went to school and found that other dogs your shirt waistline. You will be bullied and discriminated again for what you wear. Also, if you went on an excursion and happen to lose your class in a crowded area, I will wish you good luck trying to get help to find them again. Now, I understand some of you believe that Now I understand. Some of you believe that having no uniform would give the children the ability to express themselves. But how is this necessary at school? Ladies and gentlemen, they don't need to express themselves to others uniforms are bland and boring, but they are meant to be formal and simple, like a shirt. And in order to represent to school positively, I believe school uniforms should not be banned because they create equality among students. Students will be discriminated because of the colors they wear. Uniform helps pupils get into the correct working state of mind, and it gives us a good impression of the school. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The first speaker of the negative team spent the time 3 minutes 24 seconds. And please welcome the required speaker of the negative team.
Please praise.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will start answer the speech. We will take conclude of this portion today. We conclude that the uniform is the mirror of our school. The uniform will make the student believe in their wear. Because if the school made the rule to wear the complete uniform, the student is not too shy, and we want to school hard, and we want to study hardly. When the student wear the uniform, it slightly differs their economic condition. If the student does wear uniform, many of the students that have the knowledge of economic condition will shine because they have the new clothes. We must improve about our school by uniform. The uniform that can make difference the students with our children than the other people. And with the uniform, the student will be happy to study because their school to study, not to fashion or show themselves. School uniform should not be banned because of the following reason. Firstly, school uniforms are affordable and have suitable designs for students. Secondly, they show students pride and appreciation of their school. Thirdly, school uniform let other people know in which school you are studying. School uniforms are best choice for every student in every race, so uniform should be obeyed. I believe school uniform be more widely used and is the greatest motive among children and takes away the status by removing label from clothing more than just the problem of equality is prevented. If you were to make up every morning and sit there for a whole Uniform is something that is used for student study, and uniform so important. I would wish you could like trying to get help to find them again. No, I understand some of you believe that having no uniform would give the children the ability to express themselves. But hope is necessary at school. They don't need to express themselves to other students or teachers during school. They can express themselves along with friends out of school when they are required to wear a uniform. So, we are negative team, not supported the motion today, and the government will support for our statement. Thank you. At the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The first speaker of negative team spent the time 5 minutes 32 seconds. Now please welcome the first speaker of the gentleman.
Ladies and gentlemen, Aziza, as the next speaker, we want to give you the class of one of this debate. They say that if the students should be bad at school because school uniform can make students have the equity on their mind. Just like what we are saying before. If school uniform just makes students separate and they can keep the bad back to their sport in school. Because school uniform just make them reduce their enthusiasm for learning in school. Also, children don't want to have to worry about waking up every day and putting on the same boring uniform. They just should be able to wear what they want. Then, what our arguments? Our uniform should be bad at school because uniform is violating our rights. Shouldn't students have the freedom of speech? So, they supposed to have the rights for choose what clothes that they want to wear at school. We have some reasons why students are dislike school uniforms. Firstly, because school uniform just so expensive. That makes students who's in low economy can buy that uniforms. Secondly, because school's uniform take away freedom of school. Then thirdly, because school's uniform don't promote equality and also students can look better with their school uniforms. Also, the last reason is school uniform just boring because we have to wear the same clothes every day, every time at their school. And because the school uniform is just so same all the time, have the same color, have the same style, and many more. So here, we would like to cover that uniform should be banned at the school. Thank you.
The first speaker of the acrobatic team spent the time 2 minutes 42 seconds. Thank you for the team, and you can go back to your seats.